Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your language journey with Lingoda easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your language journey with Lingoda, visit their official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once you have created your account, take the placement test. This test will help determine your current language level. After completing the test, explore the courses available. Choose the language you want to learn. Select a course that matches your goals and interests. Lingoda offers various formats, including group classes and private lessons. Decide which format works best for your learning style. Schedule your first class by selecting a date and time that suits you. Make sure to check the class schedule regularly for available sessions. Prepare for your class by reviewing the materials provided. Join your class at the scheduled time and engage with the instructor. Take notes and participate actively to enhance your learning experience. After each class, review what you learned to reinforce your knowledge. Consider setting language goals to motivate your progress. Utilize Lingoda's resources, such as study materials and exercises. Stay consistent with your classes to maintain your momentum. Connect with other learners through Lingoda's community features. Seek additional practice through conversations and language exchange. Track your progress in the Lingoda app to celebrate your achievements. Continue to challenge yourself by moving to higher levels when ready. With dedication and effort, your language journey will be rewarding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.